Hello there, practitioners and parents. I hope you're all doing well and welcome to Learning with Princess Aisha. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are most welcome. Please grab a cup of chino, a cup of tea, a cup of latte, and cross your leg because it's gonna get cozy here. Yeah, so today's video's caption is under the understanding of the world. That is one of the 7 areas of learning for children. And our main focus is on the key features of plants, which is being highlighted within the EYFS Statutory Educational Program. So the EYFS Statutory Educational Program is basically a guidance that practitioners or parents, tutors, early years educators, nannies, and what have you, can use as a guide to support children's learning and holistic development. So the EYFS Statutory Educational Program 2023, which was released in 2023 or published in 2023, emphasized on the need for children to have a good understanding of their physical world and community. Children need to, as curious as they are, and they always want to learn, isn't it? So it is very pertinent that adults support them to get a deeper understanding of the world around them, how things come about, and how things function. So in page 105, it states that children need to learn and understand key features of the life cycle of both plants and animals. So today we are going to focus on plants and name parts of plants and also outline some of the things we get from plants, such as fruits and vegetables. So before we go further, what is a plant? Someone might ask, what is a plant? Because before you can even teach children what plants are, you need to identify what plants are. So to make it simpler, I'm just going to give a brief definition for what plants are. So plants are living things, of course, because they grow. That grows in the soil. They grow in water. Some plants do grow in water. And some also grow in aeraceous materials such as foam. Now, in order to go soilless, some are growing a large quantity of fruits and vegetables using foam. Yeah, so that is the definition for what plants are. And we know that plants need things to grow, isn't it? 3 or 4 things to grow. They need what? They need soil. They need the right condition to grow in. They need sunlight. And they need water, isn't it? So these are the key ingredient that plant needs to be able to grow and thrive. So this is the plants, parts of plants. This is our plants. So we're going to highlight the parts. So this is the plants. And we've got the flowers sticking out there. These are the leaves. That is the fruits. Because before a plant can produce fruits, there has to be a flower. Once the flower falls off, the fruits develop. And that's this. Obviously, we'll just name it, and then we'll talk through about the cycle before they even get to the plants. So That's the flower, that's the fruit, that's the leaves, that's the stem, that's the roots, and that's the seed. So this plant starts off, this life cycle of plants starts with a seed, with a tiny seed, as you can see, as demonstrated in the picture. So you stick the seed in soil. And we said plants need what? Soil. They need the right condition. They need what? They need water. They need sunlight to grow. So let's assume the seed has germinated and grown to a certain level, and then now obtaining all the essential ingredients to grow, it has now formed into a full plant. And so from seed we get a full plant, and the parts are the roots is the most essential part of the plant, because the roots absorb water from the soil. They also absorb nutrients, important nutrients that plants need, such as nitrogen, such as potassium, such as some calcium, such as iron, all the goodies in the soil to enable it to grow and produce fruits or vegetables that we need. So I hope that you did, and also we did mention earlier that now that we've defined what a plant is and how the life cycle of a plant, we've also identified the parts of the plant. Now, what are some of the things we can obtain from plants? We can obtain things like fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables from plants. So we have the citrus plants, and basically oranges, lemons are citrus plants. So that's lemon, that's the lemon. And also we have bell's pepper, very sweet and high in vitamin C. The same way lemon is also high in vitamin C. In fact, research shows that bell's pepper it has more quantity of vitamin C than even lemon. And this is watermelon, juicy watermelon. And we have carrots. So we get carrots. We also get green crunchy apple. We get onions. We got strawberries. We got bananas, which is high in potassium as well as carbohydrate that gives us energy to run around and have fun. And we have pear. So I hope you did enjoy this short but very educative video, parents and practitioners. Please support the channel so that I can upload more educative content such as this. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the all notification button. And don't forget to share. Until then, please take care of yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day. And it's a goodbye from Learning with Princess Aisha.